Hey, what's going on everyone? In today's video I'll be doing a quick unboxing of my new Swatch System 51 watch. So I picked this up today from the Swatch store. I've had my eye on this for close to 6 months now. I really love what they've done with this watch. You know, having 51 movements, it's pretty groundbreaking and also being made by robots. So I think it's very disruptive. And even when I was in the store, I was just expecting to see the kind of rubber plastic original System 51 watches. But they actually have a huge new range of really nice kind of more upscale watches that are using this same movement. So I think this is only the beginning, and I think it'll be interesting to see what other companies do and how they respond to this watch. So anyway, let's get stuck in and I'll unbox this little sucker. Okay, so here we go guys, we've got the Swatch watch. I'll just do a quick little rotation of the box, and I noticed here they've got this little cutout of the cardboard on the outside, and they've kind of just aligned that with the back movement of the watch, which is a nice little touch as well. So anyway, I'll get into it. So it's just a little slide open. And then we have the watch itself. So unlike other unboxings I've done of some Seikos and similar brands, this one seems to be pretty effortless, but let's see how I go. Oh, that's it. Thanks for watching guys. Oh, that's really easy as far as unboxings go. So I've got the watch here, as you can see. This is the white one that I opted for. And the lady that I was speaking to in the store said this was one of the 3 original System 51s that they first released, and I think it's just really nice. I love the white, just the simple white, and the semi-transparent case as well. So anyway, I'll put that to the side and I'll see what else is in the box. So I don't know if this is how you're meant to do it, but there we go. Okay, so we've got just that piece of cardboard, and this is the 24-month warranty, I believe, for the movement of the watch. And it seems we just have some other kind of information, I'm guessing instructions about the watch itself. So that's pretty much it. I'll just take this nice transparent piece of plastic off. So there we have it, the Swatch System 51. I'll just quickly put it on so you all get a rough idea on how it looks on the wrist. Cool, there we go. So I opted for the white one as I tend to wear a lot of grey and black clothes. So I thought this would be a really nice contrast to the clothes that I have in my wardrobe. And it just screams like summer, you know, wearing to the beach kind of vibes as well. So that's what I really like about it. And it just seems to really pop, which I really like about this one as well. So that's pretty much the unboxing. I'll be doing a review of this watch, you know, maybe after a couple of weeks of use, just to see how it sits on the wrist, how it feels, how it performs, and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll be putting a few more out about this watch, like I said. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.